What is up, YouTube? So my goodies came a little bit sooner than I thought they would. So I'm going to show you what I got. Oh yeah. I did pull the staples off. This will make it a little bit easier, but this is my first opening of it. You guys can open it up with me. That is dangerous. Jeez. Yeah, this is a real pain in the neck. Trying to hold the camera and open this at the same time. Let me put this on the stand real quick. Suspense is killing me too. Damn package. So what we got is the Klock Werks 5-inch flare windscreen. And I got mine in the dark smoke. Figured that kind of, you know, that's kind of what the factory windscreen is, like the dark smoke. I just wanted the flare. So, yeah, we're going to throw it on there. Oh, there she is. Klock Werks 5-inch flare. Alright guys, well, there you have it. Klock Werks 5-inch flare windscreen on the Street Glide. And yeah, I'll let you know how it does with the wind buffeting once I take it for a ride. But that's it. That's it for now anyways, until I get some more stuff. I do have a few more things in mind that I want to get done. So I will I'll be back with more content when I get some more stuff. Meanwhile, please like, share, subscribe if you like the content. Comment down below if there's things you think I can do better, things you don't like, things you do like. Just doing my best here, but any inputs much appreciated. So thanks for tuning into the Kraus Compound, and peace out.